So I'm a student of class 11th, which I obviously doesn't look like, and I have exams tomorrow, and I wanted to go through this 4-hour lecture and have to learn everything from it. How good it will be if I get summary of this 4-hour lecture within few seconds. It is possible using Magicslides. So go to the Magicslides.app and then you can log in first. Then you can click on dashboard and you can click on start with AI. Next you have to give the topic, so you can give the video URL. So I will take the video URL from here, and then or else you can go to the share button and you can copy the link from here, and then this URL here, and I can click on fetch transcript. It will take few seconds and it will fetch complete transcript. So the lecture was in Hindi language. It will say 3 credits will be deducted, which is okay. Then you can click on choose template and settings. Then you can choose a template. So we have the option for default templates as well as we have the option for editable templates. Will not go deeper into it. I will choose this template which looks like an educational PPT, and I will click on choose and continue. Then I have option that I can select number of slides. So it's a long lecture, I will go with 15 slides. Then there are a lot of things that it has already detected the language and choose it as Hindi, but you can choose the language as English also, and then you can choose a model. But if you don't want to give your mind on this all of these things, so you can just simply click on generate presentation and then click on generate presentation again, and within few seconds your presentation will start generating. So it has started generating the presentation. The video was on quadratic equations. Okay, it will first generate complete slide, and then once it has generated the slide you can see it. So I will click on this. It says quadratic equation, a comprehensive guide, which was this, and now it has table of content. Now it has given the quick summaries of each and every thing that has taught in that lecture. So you can see with the images also, it has given the formulas in the images, and you can make multiple slides. You can go with the bigger slides also. You can customize the number of slides you want, and you can choose that in order to make the PPT. But yeah, here's how you can make presentation using any video that you want from the YouTube. It can be any length of video. Just simply paste it. For example, this is a podcast and I want to make presentation on this podcast, so I click on fetch transcript. It has fetched the complete transcript. Then I can click on choose and continue this template. Continue. I can choose continue and continue. So it is that simple, and this is in Hindi language. What if I want this presentation in the English language? You can just click on this translation. You can click on all slides and I can choose in English, and all of these PPTs are now translated into the English language. And here's how you can see. You can explore all of this in Magicslides.app.